Bonjour tout le monde. How are you all? One of the key to master any language is consistency. Be consistent in doing whatever you wish to do. For learning a language, you spend 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day by forming sentences, using greetings with your parents, or learning new sentences, but be consistent every day. I am organizing a live class on 23rd of October, a free workshop for everybody to focus on French pronunciation. The workshop will be at 12:30 p.m. I am also uploading a Google form in the comment section. You can all fill the form, those who are interested, and by that I will get your WhatsApp number. I am going to forward you the details of the meeting and the link on Friday, that's 22nd of October. This workshop is free for everybody, students, seniors, everybody can join for learning French pronunciation. I will be talking about how to talk about yourself, your likes, your dislikes, your profession, and the focus will be only on French speaking. To master any language, we need to learn and we need to understand that we have to cover all four aspects, that is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So stay tuned. We'll be having more workshops like this. Please attend this. I am hoping to see you everybody with me. Thank you so much. Bonjour and au revoir.